Welcome to Joe Wheeler State Park. Upon entry, it might look like a 1970s horror film, but it's actually quite a nice park. Let us show you.
So we're a little bit east of the remnants of Helene, and right now we have like a little break. Because we have a little break, I'm trying to get a dog out because I think it's going to be a pretty rainy day. This is a super nice campground here, Joe Wheeler State Park in Alabama. There's 3 loops, A, B, and C. Yeah, B and C have these kind of really nice bathhouses. There's 8 showers at each, plus restrooms. I don't know exactly what this is, but it looks like an old fireplace. I don't know if this is like a gathering area for like current campers or if it's like from an old house or something. It's just kind of a cool little thing. The restrooms are over here. You can see like Campground A is over there, Loop A is over there, and it's like way more wooded than the area we're in. Go! Loop A is a blacktop surface that is relatively level and does have water, 30 amp service, and sewer. So I'm in site A13 right now, and it is very wooded. Across from me is A42, and it is also quite wooded. Yeah, it did fill up quite a bit over the weekend. It wasn't ever 100%. It was never 100% full, but all the lakeside sites were taken.
Yeah, if we come back here again, I'd definitely get a lakefront. That wasn't available when we booked, but it's very nice, very calming, very pretty.
Well, and that would be our whole back window.
Yep.
Would be looking at the lake.
Yep.
And it's a lot better looking now
than it was for Hurricane Helene.
Correct. We had 3 days of wind and rain and overcast nastiness.
The park was hit by a tornado sometime in 2020, and over the last 4 years they've rebuilt it. I don't know exactly when it reopened, but it is very nicely done, and we're glad that we were able to spend some time in Rogersville.
And here is the dump station.